About 10 days ago, Tesla publicly displayed the Model Y with the new multi-coat Quicksilver paint color for the first time. What do you think? Do you like it? Now, our friends who tweeted Gigafactory_4 have shared some images from Giga Berlin where you can see Tesla Model Y cars in Quicksilver, which were spotted on November 12, just 2 days after Tesla first time publicly displayed them at Giga Berlin factory. And our friend is asking, who of you ordered one and when is expected delivery? I can see under his Twitter that people have ordered and are still expecting the delivery. I like the colors. What do you think? I see in these images about 50 of them, or 50 vehicles, many of them the Quicksilver, which I kind of like very much. What about you? Do you like this better than the white or other colors? You know, Tesla electric vehicle buyers have been waiting for new paint options for a long time. Back in the early days of the Model S, Tesla used to offer a variety of colors, but the automaker decided to streamline options, and it now offers only a handful of color options that have remained the same for the last few years. CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has been talking about Tesla finally releasing new colors, but it has been linked to a new, most advanced paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin. If you remember, he tweeted, the CEO talked about the new multi-layer paints, saying earlier, tweeting that Giga Berlin will have world's most advanced paint shop with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. Last year, 3 new colors appeared in the Tesla app, and I reported this at Torque News channel, hinting at potential new color options. Those 3 colors were Deep Crimson Multicoat, Abyss Blue Multicoat, Mercury Silver Metallic. However, they have yet to make it to Tesla's online configurator for people to order them, despite Tesla having ramped up production at Gigafactory Berlin, where it is operating this new paint shop, enabling those new colors. Now we're seeing these Quicksilver color, which I kind of like very much. What about you, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll look forward to your comments. Also, subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.